Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. The population size greater than resource consumption is A. Optimum population growth, B. Underpopulation growth, C. Overpopulation growth, D. Minimal population growth. The question asks that the population size which is greater than the resource consumption. Baay'inni uummataa irra guddaa qabeenya uumamaa yoo ta'e maal jedhama? የህዝቡ ቁጥር ከአካባቢው የተፈጥሮ ሀብት በላይ ከሆነ ምን ይባላል? ኦቨር ፖፑሌሽን። The amount of resource which is greater than the existing population size is the amount of resource which is greater than the existing population size is A. Population growth, B. Optimum population growth, C. Underpopulation growth, D. Maximum population growth. yoo qabeenyi uumamaa naannoo lakkoofsa uummata naannoo irra caale የአካባቢው የተፈጥሮ ሀብት ከአካባቢው የሰዎች ብዛት ከበለጠ ምን ይባላል? Under population growth. Which of the following is the major problem of Ethiopia's soils? irra caalaatti rakkoo biyyoo Itoophiyaa kan ta'e isa kan በይበልጥ ለኢትዮጵያ አፈር ችግር የሆነው የቱ ነው? A. Erosion by wind, B. Erosion by running water, C. Air pollution, D. Controlling livestock population. Erosion by water is the major Ethiopian soil problems. Question number 4. Planting trees to replace trees destroyed by deforestation refers to bakka mukeewwan dhabamsiifamanii deebisnee yoo bosonoomsine maal jedhama? በወደሙት እጽዋት ፋንታ ሌላ እጽዋቶችን ስንተክል ምን ይባላል? A. Afforestation, B. Reforestation, C. Strip cultivation, D. Intercropping. Reforestation is replacing trees instead of what we consume before. በተጠቀምነው ፋንታ ተክተን ስንተክል iddoo yookiin bakka mukeewwan itti fayyadamne deebisnee bakka yoo buusne reforestation jenna. Question number 5. Of the following conservation measures, which one is appropriate to combat soil erosion in arid and semi-arid areas? A. Contour plowing, B. tracing, C. Installing shuttle belt, D. Intercropping. Installing shelter belt is the most important mechanism to combat soil erosion in arid and semi-arid areas. በቆላና ከፊል ቆላማ አካባቢዎች የአፈርን ጥርጊያ ልንከላከል የሚያስችለን ዘዴ ሼልተር ቤልት ዛፎችን አውሎ ነፋሱ በሚመጣበት አቅጣጫ ላይ ረድፍ በረድፍ መትከል mukeewwaniin lafa gammoojjii kallattii qilleensi dhufuun hiriira galchine yoo dhaabne humna qilleensa sana xiqqeessuu dandeenya. So shelter belt jedhama jechuudha. The practice of clearing forest land by cutting down, digging up largely in order to prepare for farming is A. Deforestation, B. Bad cultivation, C. Slash and burn, D. Overgrazing. Slash and burn adeemsa ittiin lafa qonnaa babal'ifachuudhaaf bosona ciranii ibiddatti qabsiisanii lafa bal'aa baafatanidha jechuudha. የእርሻ መሬትን ለማስፋፋት ሲባል ደኑን መንጥረው እሳት ሲለቀቅበት ስላሽ ኤንድ በርን እንለዋለን። Question number 7. Which of the following soil conservation mechanism is cheaper? Gosni ittisa biyyee armaan gadii rakkasa ta'e kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት አፈርን የምንከላከልባቸው ዘዴዎች የትኛው ርካሽ ነው? A. Tracing, B. Control livestock population in grazing, C. Check dam construction, D. Afforestation. Control livestock population in grazing is the cheaper. yeroo tiksinu horii lakkoofsa isaanii xiqqeessuudhaan to'achaa dheechisiisuun baay'ee kanneen biroo caalaa gatii gadi aanaa qaba jechuudha. Question number 8. Which of the following is not the major causes of deforestation? A. Demand for fuel wood. B. Demand for construction materials. C. Slash and burn practices. D. Carbon sequestration. Slash and burn practicing adeemsi lafa qonnaa bal'ifachuudhaaf jecha bosona hedduu mancaasanii ibiddatti gadhiisuun hammaataadha. Kam caalaa? Fedhii qoraaniidhaaf qabnu caalaa, fedhii ijaarsa manaadhaaf qabnu caalaa jechuudha. Question number 9. Which of the following is not the factors influencing road accidents? A. Vehicle related factors. B. Road related factors. C. Road users related factors. D. Environmental related factors. Kanneen armaan gadii keessaa balaa konkolaataadhaan dhiibbaa kan irratti hin taasisne kamiidha? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት የመኪና አደጋ ላይ ተጽዕኖ የማያደርሰው የቱ ነው? ሁሉም ተጽዕኖ አድራሾች ናቸው። ሁንዱም isaaniiyyuu dhiibbaa geessisuu danda'u. Rakkoo konkolaataa sanaan wal qabatu, rakkoo daandii wajjin wal qabatu, rakkoon imaltoota wajjin wal qabatu, rakkoon naannoo wajjin wal qabatu hundumtuu balaan tiraafikaa akka ga'uudhaaf sababa ta'uu jechuudha. None of the above. Question number 10. Which of the following is not the characteristics of optimum population? A. High average living standards. B. Rational resource development. C. Full employment. D. Balanced demographic structure. E. None of the above. The question says that which of the following is not the characteristics? All are the characteristics of optimum population. So none of the above. Hundumtuu amala optimum population growth. Question number 11. Which of the following is the positive impacts of underpopulation on resource use? A. Reduced resource depletion. B. Decline in resource production. C. Lower tax revenues. D. Workforce shortages. Reduce resource depletion is an advantage. Manca'uu dhabuu qabeenya uumamaa. Question number 12. Which of the following is not said to be a natural factors for soil degradation? A. Topography. B. Rainfall intensity. C. Soil type. D. Slash and burn. Slash and burn namtolcheedha. ሰው ሰራሽ ነው ስላሽ and burn። ሌሎቹ የተፈጥሮዎች ናቸው። ወርሪ ካን uumamadha jechuudha. So the answer is D. Question number 13. Which one of the following natural vegetation mitigation strategy is the best? A. Afforestation. B. Reforestation. C. Giving awareness and training to the local communities. D. Guarding and enforcement of the law. As keessa bu'aa qabeessa kan ta'e hunda caalaa gaarii kan ta'e ከሁሉም በሚበልጥ መልኩ ውጤታማና ጥሩ ለተፈጥሮ ሀብት ጥበቃ የሚያስችለን ሲ ነው። ዴቢን ሲ ተአቹ። Question number 14. Which of the following is not the goals of Green Legacy movement of Ethiopia? A. Curbing the effects of climate change and deforestation. B. Increasing agricultural productivity. C. Enforcing transboundary conflicts. D. Preventing environmental conflicts. Enforcing transboundary conflict is not the advantage of Green Legacy of Ethiopia. Bu'aa Ethiopian Green Legacy miti enforcing transboundary conflict. Lolli biyyoota ollaa gidduutti akka ka'u gochuun fedhiis bu'aas Green Legacy miti jechuudha. Question number 15. Which of the following is not the conservation measures of water resources? A. Protection of watershed forests, wetlands, and key ecosystems. B. Rehabilitation and protection of natural ecosystems. C. Refusing wastewater recycling. D. Artificial recharging of ground water surfaces. So refusing C is not the conservation measures of water resources. Question number 16. Of the following, which people in Ethiopia are known with the practicing of terracing in order to mitigate soil erosion? A. Gamo people, B. Oromo, C. Konso, D. Burji. Konso people are the indigenous people with practicing terracing. Question number 17. Which of the following is correct about the definition of a map? A. It is a complex, bulky representation of the Earth. B. It is a simplified and a diminished circular representation of the Earth. C. It is a simplified, diminished, plane representation of the Earth. D. It is the exact model of the Earth. C is the correct answer. Question number 18. Which of the following is not the use of a map? A. Indicating direction. B. Knowing areas. C. Pointing the navigation routes on Earth. D. Helps to know distances. All are the correct about a map, but C is not correct. Sababni isaas lafa irratti iddoo geejjibaa nu agarsiisuudhaaf kaartaan hin fayyadu jechuudha. Kaartaan waraqaa irrattidha kan inni nu agarsiisu. Waraqaa irratti. Question number 19. Which of the following indicates the advantages of map over globe? A. Map is portable than a globe. B. Globe is visually convenient to look different regions at the same time than a map. C. Map is expensive to produce than globe. D. Map is not convenient to visualize all parts of the same at the time. So, map is portable. Kaartaa baatanii iddoo tokko iddoo biraatti socho'uudhaaf baay'ee mijataadha. Giloobii baachuu caalaa jechuudha. Giloobiin ይዘን ኦር ልዑልን ይዘን ከቦታ ቦታ ከመንቀሳቀስ ካርታን ይዘን ከቦታ ቦታ መንቀሳቀስ አመቺ ነው። Barattoota, qormaata keessan xumura kutaa 9 faayinaalii seemistira lamaadhaaf sirriitti akka qophooftaniidhaaf gaaffilee isiniif gadhiifaman gamanumaan akka dubbistanii fi akka qayyabattan isin yaadachiisa. ተማሪዎች ለ9ኛ ክፍል ማጠናቀቂያና ለ2ኛ መንፈቅ ዓመት ፈተና በደንብ እንድትዘጋጁ ከወዲሁ አሳስባችኋለሁ። ቻናሊ keessan Geolesson 17 ቲዩብ waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Geolesson 17 ቲዩብ ቻናላችሁን ስለጎበኛችሁ አመሰግናለሁ። Geolesson 17 ቲዩብ ቻናሊ milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu